7 days. 9 hotels. The Hotel and Resort Crawl. Powered by CDO Content Creators Club. Welcome everyone to a retreat of comfort and convenience in the heart of Cagayan de Oro, the 1A Express Hotel. Whether you're here for business or leisure, this is the ideal spot for your staycation. Let's explore what makes 1A Express Hotel stand out.
Mabuhay! Good morning! Welcome to 1A!
Picture waking up to a complimentary breakfast and having a 7-Eleven convenience store right within the same building. Need space for a special occasion or seminar? They've got you covered with their functional rooms. Now let's talk about where you rest your head. Choose from a variety of room types to suit your needs. Standard room, superior room, family deluxe, family suite, and the suite room. Located at Recto Avenue, Barangay 24, Cagayan de Oro City, 1A Express Hotel places you right in the center of the city's vibrant energy. Discover comfort, cleanliness, and convenience in the heart of the city's shopping district. Experience the best of Cagayan de Oro at 1A Express Hotel. Book your reservations now. For inquiries and reservations, simply call 881-9527 or 0917-670-1239. You can also book online via booking.com and Agoda. 1A Express Hotel. Your perfect staycation awaits.